Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just want to let you know on how my day went today. Today was crazy. I'm telling you, had a flood here in Colorado, and Boulder. Pretty much the whole city was flooded today. Went somewhere to do a few hours, and the power went off. So I thought I had to come back to while I was visiting, but they decided the power was gonna turn back on because the store that I was staying at got to pay their light bill and decided to pay their bill. So I ended up staying for the whole 5 hours, and it was just rain all day today. So I'm just here making some chocolate chip cookies, just enjoying the night. I just want to let you know what was going on in the news probably the last week. Miley Cyrus doing her ass thing. I don't know what is wrong with kids these days. They think getting up like this, shaking that ass, just like this. I don't know. But I got the new Iron Man shirt a couple weekends ago. A good friend of mine bought it for me, so I just want to say thank you to her. Got me a few shirts. Got me a Harley shirt. They're pretty cool, so thought to get some cookies out of the oven here in about 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna hang out really quick and do a quick video. Haven't done a video in a while. This is gonna be going on my Rant and Raves channel. I really don't have anything to rant about besides the weather. I really don't have anything to rant about, just besides Miley Cyrus. Huh?
The flooding in Boulder was bad.
What'd you say?
The flooding in Boulder was bad today.
Oh, that's one of my best friends. So, and she's gonna be helping me doing some videos. As long as I keep it FCC compliant, which is no language, no dirty. You could say hell and damn, but not the F word or the C word. So I just gotta keep my P's and Q's, because I got some viewers that are under 18, so I gotta keep it 18 FCC compliant. So anyway, I just hope my sister Karen got home. She made it home okay tonight. To Tommy, you're nothing but a smart A sometimes. So you know who you are. You know who you are. So I'll be showing you the cookies here in a few minutes. What are you watching, little one? What are you watching, Suzanne?
This movie called Argo.
Argo?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, there's something I want to rant about. 9 News was on all day today, so I won't be able to watch one of my programs. So they're probably going to do that tomorrow, so I'm not really happy with that. Had to set the had to do some stuff this morning. So I'm probably gonna be using this computer or this camera, but I got to get permission first before I can get on it. So that's just only fair. I've been using the the cookies are done. Let's go check them out. Kids, are you getting anything out of the hot oven? You always want to use a hand pot holder. Thank you. A pot holder. This is what these things look like. As you can see, yum, chocolate chip. So, anyway, that's what's going on. So, I'm just watching a few Gunsmoke episodes. I'm on season 8. They came out with season 9, so I'm gonna be going back and watching that. So I will show you the weather, but I really don't want to take the camera over there and get all messed up. It's just fine where it's at. So if you decide to go out in this weather tonight, if you decide to take a chance and going through a puddle, don't. You just turn your car back around, because you never know how deep those puddles are. And just be safe. Just be warm. To all my haters, to all my Facebook friends, family, haters, that's pretty much what's going on. Nothing much. I'm gonna try and upload a video tomorrow. It's just by permission. So I'm just kind of showing the producer over here on how my videos are. I would get her on camera, but she's watching a program right now. So I don't know. You might be able to see her.
Oh jeez, Tammy, you don't want that part on there.
Say hi. That's my producer. I got a producer now for my videos. So anyways, I really don't want to show her tonight because she's kind of watching program and everything. So this is what's going on. So I'll try and be back on the next few days. So I'm gonna download this on my Rat Race channel, and maybe on my regular face. Oh, yeah, I hear these people. Anyway, so have a good night, and you take care and be careful. And I just want to say good night to all y'all, and have a good weekend. And keep rocking, people.